So this is the harvest today. We're gonna to cook it. First we're gonna wash it. Gonna wash first. Add some salt, 5 minutes here. So here I have the sesame oil, soya bean oil. Put a little bit. This for the sauce. Chop the garlic and onion. We add the pepper, oyster sauce, and little bit of salt. Be done. A little bit. Wash with the cold water. Okay, that's already. Now we're gonna lay it on the plate. So here I have the corn flour and little bit of water. Just add it here to get it thick. Wait till the sauce little bit thick. It's already done. Oh, it's hot. Look at the sauce, guys. It's already done. We're gonna have to put in the vegetable. Okay guys, this is the harvest today and the vegetable for tonight, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you next time. Bye. Sesemi ikut makan Sesemi. Ayo keep it. The cat. Nice guys, this from the garden.